To update the original version PowerVision, we want to have the PowerCore software suite open. You want to be logged in and select the C3 tuning software. Make sure the PowerVision is connected with the USB cable and in PC link mode. Select PowerVision tab and update firmware. The PowerVision is currently up to date for use with the 2020 and older bikes, which is the connector on the left. I'd like to update for use with the 2021 and newer ECUs with the button on the right. Now it says that there's a firmware or tune database is out of date, and below it shows the installed firmware, the latest firmware, which of course doesn't match. We're going to update the firmware. Firmware tune database is out of date. Of course, we know that only half of the update has been completed. The first half was successful there. Shows the installed tune database. The red arrow means it's still not up to date, and we'll update the tune database. And that's it. Once it's up to date here, it'll show you that that one is done. The two green arrows let you know that it is completely up to date.